Proven strategy to earn $300 to $1,000 with Staycut, an affiliate marketing platform. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So in this channel, we teach about how to make money online, how to be financially free. Okay, so we teach about proven strategy that have worked for people, that have also worked for me, on how you can make money online. So let's dive into the video. But before I dive into the video, I need you to click the notification bell to subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video, share it to your friends that want to be financially free. So let's get started. So this is a proven strategy that many people have used to make money online, and even me have used this strategy to make money online. But I'm going to teach you how this business model works. Okay, so let's go. Okay, these are the things you're going to learn in this particular video. What is Staycut? Can I make this money with the platform? How to create an account? How to gain access to products? How to copy your affiliate link? Promote the product using Facebook and TikTok. Okay, I'm going to answer all these questions now. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you do all these things I've mentioned here. So, what is an affiliate marketing platform? Okay, so but before we go into what affiliate marketing platform is, but let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. In general overview, I say that affiliate marketing is a way of making money by selling other people's products and earning commission. For example, a course creator can create a course of, let me say, $10, okay, $10, and say that I need someone to promote this product, that the person will get 50% of the commission. That is to say, if you sell that product for $10, you're going to earn $5 as a commission. You understand me? So this is what affiliate marketing is all about. So let's look what is Staycut. Okay, so Staycut is an affiliate marketing program where you get all these digital products to promote. Okay, so I want to answer all these questions. So after answering all these questions, we dive into the video. So it's an affiliate marketing platform where you get different products, any kind of digital product to promote. Okay, you can sell it to anybody around the world. Okay, another question is, can I make this money with a platform? Yes, the answer to this question is yes. You can make this money. Many people have made more than this money with this platform monthly, weekly. Okay, so you can also make this kind of money with this platform. But what determines you making money with this platform is your mindset. You have to make your mindset believe that you can do this. Okay. Number three, how to create an account. I'll teach you how to create an account with Staycut. Why I choose Staycut more than some affiliate marketing platform is that Staycut is one of the best because you will have access to it for free without paying any money. Okay, so how to gain access to products? I'll also teach you how to gain access to products. How to copy your affiliate link? I will also teach you how to copy your affiliate link, promote the product using Facebook and TikTok. I will also teach you how to promote this product. But let's start with creation of Staycut. So let's dive into the video. So what you have to do is you go to your Chrome browser or your Google, but let me use Google as an example. Now, let me just use Google. Okay. If you're someone that have started this business model and not make any money, my dear, watch this video to the end. Okay. So let's type something. Let's type Staycut. Staycut. Okay. Staycut.com or Staycut. Just type it on your Google browser. Okay. Consider is the first one. You click on it. Well, maybe service issue. It's loading. It's loading. Let's skip them. Okay. Okay. You can see this takeout is for free. Claim your free account. They say it's for free. So some affiliate marketing platform will charge you 2,000. Some will charge you 10,000 naira. Okay. So, but this one is for free. You click on claim your free account. If you're someone that already have an account on Stakeout, what you have to do is for you to log in. So let's create an account. I'm going to show you the full details. First name, let me use my name, Ubina. Last name, let's use Coral. Email, which email? Let me use this email. Password, let me put my password. Okay, so let me sign up. We wait for it to load. It's loading, guys. Um, Okay, they sent me a message that check your mail. Okay, so let me go to my mail. Let me go to my mail, my Gmail. They sent me a code. They sent me a code. Okay, I've seen it. What's happening? Updates. They sent me a code. So wait for it. Okay, see the code they sent to me. Let me copy the code. Let me copy the code. Let's go back. So let me paste the code. I'm so sorry for the incoming call. I'm so sorry. Let's paste the code here. I'm sorry, I'm hiding the number. I'm sorry for that. Okay, let me paste the code. Wow, that's 5353117. One one. Sorry, 1 1. I'm so sorry, I'm taking time. 7. Verify. Let's click on verify. Okay, my account is active. So let's log in. Let's log in. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like. It's loading. This is how the dashboard looks like. This is how it looks like. I'm so sorry, it's still loading. But before it's still loading. So let's click on this three dotted line on top of my screen here. Click on it because I want to show you something. So these are things you should note about this stakeouts. Marketplace. Marketplace are places you get products to promote. Okay. So top affiliates are those people that is making it with this business model. But I don't want to say much thing about these things. Okay. I just want to dive into the video. Okay, let's click marketplace. Okay, let's click marketplace. This marketplace are places you get product you want to sell, any kind of product. Okay, so these are the marketplace. These are the products on the marketplace. So you can choose any product of your choice and start selling. But in this video, I'm going to choose Stellar Publishing Guard. Okay, I'm going to choose Stellar Publishing Guard. Stellar Publishing Guard is an Amazon KD because that teaches you how to make money with Amazon. Where is it? I thought I saw this. Okay, see it here. We teach you how to make money on Amazon, and it's going for $41.7. This is approximately like 25,000, but I don't know how much is it now, but 25,000 naira in naira. So you click on product on promote. This is how to pick any product of your choice. You click on promote, then this is it. Okay, see very well. Copy affiliate below. Copy affiliate link below. So this is the link you're going to send to someone, and if that person buy this particular product, you're going to earn 50% of the commission. For example, this product in naira is 25,000 naira. You earn a commission of something something. You understand? Okay. So if this product is for 50,000 naira, you earn a commission of 25,000 naira. So this is how this affiliate marketing works. So you can copy the link here. If you want to, you copy the link, but if you don't want to, you can leave it. Okay, you copy the link. Okay, when you copy the link, I want to show you another step you're going to take. Show you another step. Okay, another step is um how to copy affiliate link. I've already showed you. Another step is how to start promoting this product. So let's go into the video how to start promoting this product. Now let's start with Facebook. What happens if you want to start promoting this product? You should make sure that your WhatsApp is ready. You have WhatsApp, you have Facebook, and you have TikTok on your phone. Okay, and you should create an account with Facebook. Okay, you should create an account with Facebook. If you want to create an account with Facebook, you can watch videos on how to do that. To create an account on Facebook is not that difficult. I'm sorry, let me leave here. Okay, so what you have to do immediately you create an account, you go to your search bar on Facebook, type how to make money online. This is the way, is a proven strategy way on how you can sell this product. Okay, so if you click on any of the platform, like you're going to join many groups about how to make money online. Then if you join, you start posting good content that relate to what you are promoting. For example, I choose that Amazon KDP as an example. You start promoting something that concerns Amazon and how you can help them, okay, something like that. So, but I've already generated my own content. I'm going to copy it from my sorry, from my notepad. Is it? I'm going to copy it from my notepad now. So learn how to have a book. Yeah. So this is the one I crafted. This is me. Why I crafted is that I myself is an Amazon KDP publisher. I've earned up to this amount. That's why I craft this. So you copy it or you cut it. Anyone. So you go and post you go and post it. You have this thing, you post it. You can also include your number or you can attach a link. Some group admins they allow people to attach links, but some don't. But any group, anyone, if you want to attach a link or your phone number, you can do that. So you post it. Okay, you can attach a link or a phone number, you post it. So when you post this kind of content, people will come into your comment section, will tell you, wow, I love this. How can I make this money? How can I make this money? How can I make this money? Now, what I need you to go do is for you to go on WhatsApp. Okay, you go on WhatsApp, visit WhatsApp. So when you go on WhatsApp, I need you to create a group. A group is very important. You start adding these people to that group. You tell them that they should message you on WhatsApp, and you should make sure that they save your contact so that they will view your status. Okay, there anything, any updates you share on your status, they will view it. So when you open that group, make sure that they are added in the group and make sure they have saved your contact. You now choose a particular date you want to do tutoring, you want to teach them about this business, about this Amazon KDP. But before you start promoting this product, I need you to go on YouTube and watch how what that particular product is all about. Any product you're picking, watch how that particular product is going to help people, what about it, the definition and everything, so that a lot of people are going to ask you questions. And if you handle this question correctly, you're going to make sales, you're going to make money. So after adding them, you can choose a day and start tutoring them. After some tutoring, you tell them how much the product costs and they buy that particular product you are promoting. Understood? So this is a strategy you're going to use to make money on these platforms, TikTok or any affiliate marketing platform. Now, for TikTok, I will not talk more about TikTok. It's just for you to create videos. Okay, you create videos about that particular product. When you reach up to 1,000 followers, they will start messaging you through a link on your bio because TikTok only allow 1,000 followers to attach a link. So if you are not up to 1,000, you can attach number. People will copy your number and start messaging you and start buying the product. So this is a proven strategy on how you can make money with this takeout. And this business model, I have tried it and it has worked for me. A lot of people have tried it and it has worked for them. So you yourself should try this business model. And I know that it's going to work for you and you're going to make a lot of money from this business model. So what I need you to do now is for you to just click the link on my description below because I have a template that will going to teach you this business model step by step, and this is a free ebook. Okay, and also subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also any video you want me to do about how to make money online, I need you to write it on the comment section and I will attend to it. Thank you so much for giving me your time and thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.